Well, hello, I am back. Steel Pinnings here once again, and I've got that Albert LaBelle lock Diaper Rash in the old vice out of the dark bag of devils. Devil! Alright, anyway, I figure I'm going to see if I can get into this thing. So let's just, without waffling about it, let's see if I can get into it, right? It is the Wiser. I'm going to use my 60 thousandths on the top here. I'm going to go counterclockwise. I'm going to use the Sparrow's Lunatic, because there's plenty of room. Number one is the first binder. Let's just, oh shoot. Gotta get, there's a lot of binders and I'm not even turning it. Dang. You know that means Evo. Yep, still number one. Very light tension, because these are all apparently serrated. They're just crunchy, click, clicks. Click after click after click, and then finally it sets. Double check that one. Oh, looky here. We got a good false set. Ah, that's not open? What the hell? I gotta check. No, it's not open. Wow. It's gotta be hung up on a T-pin. Look at the false set on that. It was straight up and down. See that? Okay. We've got to be hung up on a T-pin. Let's see. One. No. Set. Two. Set. Three. Got it. Aha! It was three. Awesome! Let's move this out the way. Zoom out. That was a crunchy booger, man. Okay, pen on down until I set it down. There we go. Let's get her open, huh? We don't need the key because we got it open. But there's definitely... I did that on purpose. No. There's definitely a T-pin in there, though. Gosh, dog, definitely. Alright. Thanks, Don. Definitely. Shim it. Shim it, Pennings. Shim it. Alright, we're shimmed. Chee-lee-lee. Dee-dee. Alright. Push it on out. Yay! Okay. Gotta see that. There's definitely some work done here. Got threading, undercutting, and standards. Even this little standard here, though, looks like something's been done. It's got something going. Let's just dump these out. One's a serrated, two's a serrated, three's a spool, four standard, 5 is mega serrated. I'll get it out of there, and 6 standard. Okay, there they be. Sorry, there they be. We're still zoomed. And here's the lock. Be yourself. Got threading in 1 and 2. A very light threading in 3 and 6. 4 is undercut, and heavy threading in 5. There's a flat top. Maybe that made it a little easier, I'm not sure. It's not too big of a flat top though. Let's see what's up top. Okay. Number 1. Trying to do this through the oh, number 1 is a shim pin. Dadgummit. There's number 1. Okay. Get off the nerves. There's that pin. Oh, a heavy serrated pin there. I throw it out anyway. It's a heavy serrated. Check that out. 2 oil spring. Copper. 2 is another heavily serrated. Okay, smaller copper. Number 3 is standard. Another one of them smaller ones. Whoa! Here's that T-pin. Oh, it's a pin and pin. Sorry. Down in there. It popping out. It is a pin and pin. There she is. Oh yeah, we'll get a good close look at her in a minute. Flip it around. Number 6 back here. It's a little T-pin. Another small brass or copper. And another heavily serrated. And another little brass or copper spring-a-ding. And up top, threading in 5, 1 and 2. Yep. 5, 1 and 2. Let's get a good close look at all this because it looks magnificent. Zoom to it. 1, 2, and 3. Looky there. Serration station. And then a slight spool or T-pin, key pin here, and the standard on top. And then we slide that down to the last 3, which we have standard on bottom for 4 and 6, another heavily serrated in 5 with its counterpart on top, another little T-pin here. This one here matches up with that one, but this is the star of the show, and this is what held me up at the end too, with that little T-pin holding. Could be just the killer that you don't want, that's for sure. Awesome. Alright, we'll zoom out there. Thank you so much, Mr. Big Al, for sending me all these goodies, and I appreciate everybody watching me give them a go. I've had a blast. I will get this baby back together and back out in the world. I haven't undone the key to show the key though. Golly, come off of there. Okay, there we go. Good grief. That's some masking tape. Okay. There's a key. And it's a staircase. You know, nothing about this being a challenge lock, being any kind of bad. But as a locksmith, they say not to cut keys like this. The only thing that's going to save you is this one here being a little lower than that one. If they were vice versa, this key would come out even if it was still in the lock. Because, well, it's the key pins that retain the key. Anyway, blowing off about that, we got a very low one here, and this is only a 5-pin key, so the last one rode on the tip. Let's toss them in there and show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to hold 2, going to hold 3, 4, 5. So he had a standard in that heavy undercut, but number 4 was that undercut with the monster on top of it. Whereas this one here really, oh, okay, it goes down some. I was gonna say it really didn't affect it too much, but it did. It goes down in there a little bit. A couple little dingles. I don't know if this one would have been any better or not. I think it worked out pretty good. And definitely with that. That's just nasty. Gorgeous work too. Everything needing to be picked at that rate. In there. And again, gorgeous work. Alright, I'm going to quit waffling on, put this thing back together. Y'all, please stay safe and always stay legit. If you like this video and like what I do here, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, until we meet again, peace.